if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
What's up, y'all? Jazz Janae here, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my channel focuses on natural hair, fashion, and lifestyle. We're gonna dive real deep into fashion, so stay tuned. 2021, here we come. Anyways, if you are interested in any of those things, hit that subscribe button down below. It is free. You won't regret it. Listen, hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. We have fun over here, okay? So let's hop into the video. I would like to thank Beauty Forever at Amazon for sponsoring today's video and sending me this gorgeous headband wig. So that is what my video is going to be about today. Just reviewing this wig, and I'm showing you guys how I install it. So just a little details about this wig. It is 16 inches and the texture is water wave. I ordered it off Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, it will take roughly 2 days, so shipping is very fast. You do not have to book a stylist for this wig. All you gotta do is pop it on. Listen, if it's easy for me, because me and weaves do not get along for some reason. Me and wigs, I do not know how to put on a wig. So if I could do it, anybody can do it. It is so beginner friendly, super easy. All it takes is a good 10 minutes, and most of the time it's you preparing your edges and slicking down your hair. That's it. But all you do is pop this bad boy on, and I will show you guys how I do that and what I use to prepare my edges, and you just go along with it. I would like to see how this hair looks straightened. You can wet this hair, and the curl pattern is so pretty. But if you would like to see me straighten this hair, leave a comment down below and I will get on that video real quick like. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I prepare my hair and how I install this wig, keep watching. So I just want to shout out Beauty Forever at Amazon for sponsoring and sending me this gorgeous wig. So it came in this box, and this is just how it looks straight out the box. It has the black headband. It has the adjustable straps and 2 combs, one in the front and one in the back. This hair really does not have any tangles. There is no shedding whatsoever. And it's super easy to put on. All I do is secure the comb in the front and secure it in the back. super easy. And I just take those straps connected to the headband. They have Velcro on them, and I just attach them at the back to add a little bit more security. And y'all, this wig is not going anywhere. And just like that, you have the wig on. It's so easy, so simple. Anybody can do it. I wear this to work every day, y'all. This is my work wig because I literally don't have to do anything in the morning but slick my hair back. I really like this. Super easy, super beginner friendly, super affordable, and this will be my go-to hairstyle through the week. So yeah. It came with different headbands, but to spice it up, I like to switch out these different headbands. It's giving me such Blair Waldorf style. If you watch Gossip Girl, you know what I mean. But yeah, it came with like 2 or 3 different cotton headbands that you can put on, and I like those, but I like the other traditional headbands as well. So this is the cotton headband, well, the satin headband I was telling you about that it comes with. You can also put that on. It's super easy, super cute. So you can also do some cute styles with this hair. I have worn it half up, half down. It's no particular way to do it. Just pull some hair up and just pull it in a ponytail. Real cute, real messy look. Real effortless. I like that. And then also, I haven't worn it up in a bun yet, but you can also just pull it up into a ponytail or a messy bun, and it gives it a real cute and effortless look. Looks super natural. Looks like it's coming from the scalp. And I could probably wear it like this when I go to the gym or when I'm just running errands and I don't want hair all over me. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Love you.